I've been doing nothing. I'm bored and unemployed and I have nothing to do and all my friends have plans. देखो मेरे को ना also what the fuck मेरे को इतनी English क्यों आती है? I'll explain. The reason is because the simple answer that I have for that is because it feels less awkward to talk to myself in English. But then again, I feel like I can't really show my personality. Like, trust me, I can do so much more. मैं funny हूँ यार, guys. Please give me a chance, guys.
Please give me a chance, guys.
So yeah, I had to address that before getting into the video. Oh my god, मैं ना लग रही हूँ बीमार. Better. मेरा बहुत मन है to make a day in my life वाली videos because that's all I watch. I'm not gonna lie, but it's just I do nothing all day, like I'm on YouTube like all the fucking time. Like it's actually hilarious. I love YouTube so much. I prefer YouTube over watching reels. It's like half of the time I do it for enjoyment and the other half of the time I do it like as an observation to like improve what I can do, improve myself and what else can I do in my videos that will be different and more entertaining to watch. Also, I'm not gonna lie, usually before starting a video I like kind of have an idea of what I'm about to do in that video, but मैंने बस कैमरा खोल लिया है because I was feeling the vibes. We'll see how it goes. मेरे को ना ऐसी शक्ल बनानी बंद कर देनी चाहिए. This gives the expression that I am not really into this. Trust me guys, I will work on my expressions. It's just मुझे नहीं पता. Like I can be happy. Trust me, I can be happy. I can smile. Oh my god, that looks so fake. मेरे को आता है हंसना and I'm really happy. Trust me, I really enjoyed doing this. It's just मेरी शक्ल भी नहीं आता यार, पता नहीं क्यों. मेरे को I'm trying my best. Trust me, I'm trying my best. मेरे को ना realize हुआ recently that I need to start dressing like a grown person instead of a child. Cause देखो, let me give you थोड़ा सा like back story. I am 5 feet. That's like this tall, है ना? So I can shop from anywhere, like women's section and kids section. I do have stuff from kids section, but like most of my stuff is from women's section because I'm a grown adult, है ना? But it's like I also like to overdress. Like you can never see me underdress for anything. But recently, इतना भारी but बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. But recently I've realized that नहीं होती इतनी ज़रूरत. Maybe more is less, है ना? नहीं, उल्टा होता है. Maybe less is more. So मेरे को ना realize हुआ, देखो overdress होने के चक्कर में ना all I have is flashy items in my wardrobe, and when you have too many flashy items and they don't go well together, you have nothing to wear at the end of the day. So now that my frontal lobe is developing, I started going out and actually buying basic wardrobe staples. So yeah, ऐसे ही कल I went on a shopping spree with my parents and I bought 3 things, and now I will give you a haul because I am a YouTuber. I bought 2 jeans and a tank top. Nothing much, nothing fancy, but मेरे लिए it's a big deal because as I said, I don't buy normal basic clothes ever because मेरे को लगता है मेरी personality खत्म हो जाएगी. Like मेरे को realize even though it like hurts me a bit कि to go basic, I will thank myself at the end of the day because let's be honest, मुझसे नहीं हो रही थी कपड़ों की management, and when I had nothing to wear, I would crash out. So yeah, these are the clothes that I got. I got 2 jeans, as I said previously. One is this straight fit black jeans, and I really like how it's like the perfect shade of black denim that I want. Or the second one is this light blue wash. Oh my god, let me just say, I've been wanting a straight fit light wash jeans for, oh my god, such a long time, and I just couldn't find something that fit my budget, was the perfect size and shape for me. And मैंने बताया था ना पहले, I'm like 5 centimeter tall, तो अब मेरे को हमेशा अपनी jeans alter करवानी पड़ती है. This one, waist size perfect, length perfect, मेरे लिए बनी थी ये jeans, so I bought it. I have another pair of jeans which is like cargo, and it has a darker wash than this, and it honestly in my like not to throw shade, I love that jeans so much. If you see me out there, I will be wearing that 99% of the time because I love that jeans so much, but it's like it looks cheap in my opinion. Now sorry, like no shade, but like this, oh my god. Anyways, last but not the least, this basic tank top. See, it's nothing nothing too much but basic. You can pair it with so many things. I love this fact that you can pair it with so many things. Also, I got all of these things from Max. I love Max so much. अगर इस दुनिया में 1000 फैन है मैक्स के, आई एम वन ऑफ देम. अगर इस दुनिया में 100 फैंस है मैक्स के, आई एम वन ऑफ देम. अगर इस दुनिया में 0 फैंस है मैक्स के, देन आई एम डेड. Because Max is so good. Genuinely, I have like अच्छा खासा chunk of my wardrobe is from Max. But then again, वहाँ से भी I don't buy stuff that is coordinated, so I end up regretting everything. मेरे को पता नहीं क्या होता है. I go into the shop and I see stuff and फिर मैं देखती हूँ प्राइस सेल और मैं सब उठा के लाती हूँ. मैच नहीं करेगा, साइज भी ढंग से नहीं आएगा. पता नहीं मेरे को कैसे कन्विंस हो जाती हूँ मैं. मेरे दिमाग में फॉग आ जाती है and I have no idea how I get convinced. But this time I controlled myself and I went there yesterday. मैंने 8 चीज़ें सेलेक्ट करी थी एंड देन आई जेन्युइनली लाइक इन द ड्रेसिंग रूम मैंने ऐसे देखा अपना सामान है वैसे सच्ची में चाहिए ये. लाइक आई जेन्युइनली एनविजन माई सेल्फ विच आई नेवर यूजली डू. मैं जस्ट उठाती हूँ और मैं पेमेंट करके ले आती हूँ क्योंकि पैसा है पैर की धूल. तो अब जब आई हैव फाइनली लाइक यू नो थॉट इट ओवर एंड बॉट स्टफ, आई एक्चुअली रियली लव इट. शुड आई गिव अ ट्राई ऑन हॉल? आई डोंट I kind of don't want to give try. I'm sorry. Do I have anything better to do? Not really, but I still won't be giving a try on haul because I am very lazy and it's very hot and I'm not trying to wear those jeans right now. But trust me, they are very thin and comfortable and fit me really well. You will see me wear them 24/7, so like don't you worry about it. I'm not gonna lie, मेरे अंदर से अभी कीड़ा जाग रहा है कि I need to buy more stuff. I need to stop myself. While we are on the topic of what I do in my day, I am also a reader. I know, surprising, does not look by my face, but trust me, you see that bookshelf पीछे? मेरे पास बस यही बुक्स नहीं है, but these are the books that I really like. You see that? I will give you a close up, don't worry. You see this? You see this? All mine. I love reading a lot, and in छुट्टियों में भी I've read 2 books. I know 2 is not that big of a number, but I've been in the biggest reading slump ever. मैं ना एक दिन में 2 बुक्स खत्म करती थी, but now it takes me 2 months. Okay, sue me. It's just मेरे पास नहीं है यार. मेरे को ना I enjoy reading under pressure. जब कुछ बड़ा हो रहा है ना ज़िंदगी में, उसको procrastinate करके reading is what I prefer. So I will be showing you what I read in this month and what I will be reading this month. Basically, I would like to say TBR, but it's not really a TBR because मैंने पढ़ लिया 1-2 books. I just you know shut up and show you. Let's begin. First of all, I bought this book 2 महीने पहले, just before my end sems. It's Catabases by R.F. Kuang. Babel by the same author. I absolutely love that book. It is one of my favorite books, I'm not gonna lie. But this book did not, I've read this. This did not live up to my expectations, I will not lie. Is it a good book? Yes. Will I recommend? Like, it depends. It is a fantasy. I went into it thinking it's a dystopian fantasy, but it's not as dystopian as I expected it to be. Also, please ignore the fact कि आपको मेरे कपड़े दिख रहे हैं पीछे. I will change the camera angle. That's all I have to say about this book. I will rate it 6.5 out of 10. Yeah. Then the second book that I read was Days at the Morisaki bookshop. I know it's very famous and I don't really want to say anything. I don't really read that kind of stuff, but I can see why it won the award that it won. But overall, that's not something I'm into. But it is a good book, I will not lie. My friend has borrowed it. Currently, I don't have it with me, like the physical copy, but I'll rate that book a 7 on 10. Now we'll come to the pile that I have not read. सबसे पहले तो we have this book. I showed it in the previous video. I bought this, and because I've heard a lot about it, I didn't really read a premise, which is very unlike me. Let me tell you, I'm not a poser. I read books and I usually research about them and I know what I'm into. Okay, so for me to just go in blind into a book is very weird, but I'm trying to not take everything so seriously, so I think it's fine. Also, not gonna lie, I love the cover of the book, and I also like the fact kaise it's wrapped in plastic. You know how butter usually comes. So I have a plan that when I'm done reading this, I'll pack it up again like this because it's so pretty. This is the only book मेरे पूरे collection में which is for aesthetic purposes only. I will not be doing this again. Then we come to a cult classic. We have Dan Brown's latest book, The Secret of Secrets. This is my father's. He is a big Dan Brown fan. He has all the collector's edition. They're on my shelf right there. I've not read all of them, but I've read a few of them, and I'm also a fan of Dan Brown. This is the one that I'll be reading first and then I'll be reading this. That's all. Oh my god, no, that is not all. I also have a Kindle. I got this on my 16th birthday. Tinkle खुली हुई है इस पे, मेरी बहन ने खोल रखी है, what the fuck. So, oh my god, now the amount of load that I'm about to drop. It was the year 2024, I think. I was knee deep in this one fandom. I will not be revealing names because ना फिर ना लोगों का perception बन जाता है, and it is not a famous fandom. Okay, it is very niche, so I will gatekeep. ठीक है, ताकि I look more mysterious. I was genuinely knee deep. I would consume content about this fandom on Tumblr. Do you see the amount of love I had for this? So I also read fan fictions about this fandom as one does, right? फिर एक दिन I stumbled upon this fan fiction. It is very popular in the fandom and rightfully so. I kid you not. It is one of the best pieces of literature I have ever read, and I don't think anything will ever top it. The way it's written, the way the characters are genuinely understood, uski depth, oh my god. Like, as a reader and as a enthusiast of writing, मैं मेरी आत्मा तृप्त हो चुकी है. तो मैंने ना ऐसे खुद से प्रॉमिस किया है कि I will read this fan fiction at least once every year. It's that time of the year again. I've started the fan fiction again. I don't think you understand how much love I have for. मुझे physically walk करना पड़ता है कमरे में after reading a chapter, because, and I don't say that easily. I have read so many good authors, published authors. I've read so many good things. Nothing comes close to this fan fiction. I have no idea how long it is. मेरे पास इस fan fiction का PDF. I have it on every single device. My iPad, my phone, my laptop, my Kindle. I love this with everything I have in me. That's all. That's all I have to say. I'll let you know if something interesting happens. It is 6 p.m. currently. Flash red will look very so fun. It is 6 p.m. currently, and safe to say मैंने कुछ productive नहीं किया since the last time I filmed. I just bed rotted and watched YouTube videos and read my book. अब जब मेरे को बेरोजगारी की shame consume कर रही है, so I've decided I will be productive and I will be cleaning my closet. My mother has been asking me to do that for over a month now, but it just was not the right time, and now I am out of every source of entertainment.
Nothing is fun anymore.
So here we are. मैंने बेड पे सामान निकाल दिया सारा. Do you see how messy that is? Yeah, I will clean all that. I'll also clean my desk, but time lapse तो नहीं कर रही देखो मैं, because I feel like that is like too intimate. I don't know if we are on that level right now. I'll update you when I am done, I guess. तो मैंने गाने लगाने हैं, मैंने करना है log in. But first I'll have biscuits because energy. I did clean up my wardrobe. थोड़ी चीज़ें रहती हैं, but now I'm going out to play badminton with my friends. Ignore all this mess. ये आके साफ होएगा because अभी I do not have the time or the energy to do this. It is a miracle that मैंने वो भी कर लिया. I will stop speaking now because I need to get ready. My friends are already here and I'm late. I look like a boiled egg. I don't like the way I look, but like we are going to work with this because garmi.